Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. I've got today a limousine salad. This idea was taken from a restaurant I went during my holidays. I really like it, the idea, and I'm doing it kind of my way. Yeah, we're gonna start preparing a dressing for our salad with Greek yogurt, extra virgin olive oil, lime juice, a touch of Italian herbs, salt, pepper, and those are our main ingredients for our dressing. We are just gonna mix it, that all flavors get together, and just control acidity and salt. And after that, you will just reserve this dressing on the side. Just control it. I'm adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of acidity with a pickle use, the use of the pickle onions I've got. I will leave you on the description this recipe for the pickle onion. They are very easy and they are very nice for salads, for topping tacos, for meat. They are just fantastic and quite easy. So in a second step, I'm using a full grain bread. I'm using this one. I'm just cutting like 2.5 centimeters. Slices, just like that. Look, it's a full grain bread. You can use, of course, the one you want. This is just regular pre-washed lettuce. I'm gonna incorporate it together with the dressing, with our yogurt dressing. Just like that, mix it, and we are gonna add a little bit of carrots and a touch of our pickled onions later on. As you see, just incorporate them, that all the salads get the dressing. And as I said, just pickled onions. This will bring a little bit of sweet, a little bit of acidity. The pickled onions are just fantastic. And we're gonna just mix it and reserve it. So once we are just ready to go, we got some ribeye, just marinated with salt and pepper, and we're gonna cook it. Of course, I'm using medium term of a meat. You can use the one you usually eat. For this medium, I took 2.5 minutes by each side, and later I'll just let it rest a little bit before cutting it. Just a regular way of making a steak. I will roast a little bit our bread, just like that, and we'll add a little bit of butter for our steaks. Just in the final middle of cooking, just a little bit of butter, like it gets like juicy. Well, if you are so far to here, please leave your like behind the video, and also subscribe to the channel if you like our content. It does help us a lot, the content creators, to have a little bit of interaction. So, like I say, we're gonna kind of pour a little bit of the butter in our steaks, just like that. Turn it off and let it rest and cut it. Now we're gonna set it up. We're gonna start with our bread, and we are gonna add a little bit of our butter from our pan where we cook the steak. Just like that. Quite easy. Now we're gonna add a little bit of the salad. Our salad we just prepared. Quite easy salad. just like that. And now we're gonna add some cucumber. You can of course add or avoid any of the ingredients you like or you don't like. So, and now we're gonna top it with our fantastic medium term ribeye steak. Look, medium, just perfectly medium cook, quite easy, and of course very tasty. And all this salad we're gonna top it with a Venezuelan Guasacaca, which is an avocado sauce. I'm gonna leave you also the video in the description together with a pickled onion. And just like that, we're coming to an end of our salad. I hope you like it, that you of course do it at home and enjoy it a lot. So take care, and I wish you a very nice day. Cheers.